Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dikshit Patel, the member of Eco Superior Environmental Programs Organization, which is non-profit organization run in Thunder Bay region. We have applied many programs to save our environment. Like here you can see, we implemented this rain barrel program in our Thunder Bay area. We have give too much barrels to the people so they can uh, harvest the rainwater. Also, now we want to do the same in Toronto region. For that, we want to order 1,000 barrels, and we give to the people at a minimum price. We bring together all these people from different walks of life. We all gather and discuss about environmental problems, and we create solutions. So for that, we need a fund. uh, Actually we need a fund about $10,000, and I know that I eligible for this criteria, and it benefits too much. It reduces the pooling of rainwater runoff in your area. Also it prevents soil erosion, provide you chemical free water for your garden, and help you conserve the water. So there are lots of benefits, and I know that we all know the environment and the nature is the only thing that makes our life better. So I hope that you would select our organization for this fund, and thank you.